How to secure your Income Plus account on TikTok. Start out on your profile page. Then, in the top right corner, tap on the icon with 3 horizontal lines. This is sometimes called the hamburger icon. Tap on Settings and Privacy at the bottom of the box that pops up. Once you're on this page, tap on Security and Permissions. At the bottom of this first section, tap on Income Plus Verification. You can see it send a code to my email. It may also send a code to your phone. Just go ahead and get the code or follow the on-screen instructions. Now that I've got the code, I'll type it in. You can see here that now you'll be able to choose where you want to receive your verification code when doing stuff with Income Plus. You can either use your email or a third-party authenticator app. Now I had mine already set to email. Technically, it's more secure to use a third-party authenticator. The reason being, if your email is compromised, somebody would be able to get into that too, and your TikTok account. So third-party authenticator is the better choice, but either one of these will be fine. If you're just coming to this page or setting this up for the first time, you may not have seen the last screen I was on, you may just see this. So go ahead and choose your option, and that's pretty much it. Before you go, check this out.